I have been driving this thing, doing the shakedown runs, and putting some miles on it, and when you know, we have the problems. And the problems is the one U-joint that I did not replace, which did take grease, but obviously not everywhere. So yeah, I'll take this over there and get that swapped out. So you can see this one has grease in it, and this one did not. So basically I started smelling grease. Actually, we'll go way back. I put the T18 in here, and the bowl gear never was tight. So I had assumed any vibrations I was feeling was that, because this U-joint felt tight, and I had replaced all the rest of them. And I didn't replace this one because it felt tight. Greased it, grease came out of it. Apparently not out of this cap. Yeah, we're cruising down the freeway. Smell a bit of grease burning. That's weird. Vibration starts to get a little more. That's weird. Then it gets really vibraty, so I slow down, pull off the side of the freeway, and then I'm like, oh, I'll try and limp it up to the off ramp up there and see if I can work on it there, and put out the clutch, and nope, the drive shaft fell on the ground. So didn't really get any damage other than the drive shaft and this U-bolt. So anyway, we're under here to measure for the new drive shaft, because that old drive shaft was beat to poop, and we're gonna do that now. Alright, now we're gonna measure. I'm gonna go, oh handy, they're both pretty much at the same exact angle. Look at that. So 17, oh hey now, look now, 17 and 1/8. So measuring from that surface to that surface. So I ordered the new drive shafts, in case you're wondering how to get those out. I ordered it from Adam's 4x4. The reason I ordered it from them, besides the price, was the 120 wall tubing. That's well packed. That goes forever. Yeah, that one only went like 1 inch. Oh, that's too far. That's too far. Oh, there's words. Oh, this doesn't say CJ, but it does say etc. Cool, they taped the caps on. Very nice. Make sure to take that off before I put it in the Jeep. Balanced. Very nice. I don't think mine was ever balanced. I got all of the other components out of here. This component has proved to be the most difficult. gonna do is let this sit. Oh, it smells good. Whew, that's smelly stuff. I need to bag and tag my junk and go order a new U-bolt. And then maybe this will come out tomorrow. Alright. Cut! Here's my cap. It did not look happy in the end. Well, it had a soak. Let's see if it'll just come out all by itself. Or not. Cut it off and then cut it out that way. Alright. Again. Alright, this will go out the other end now. That was easy. So that's definitely a minus. There's no grease in this one. The other one had black grease and it was coming out of it. This one is missing the grease fitting. So I'll swap that out and then I'm just going to put this in there and I'll bring it back. Okay, that's a little bit of backlight there. Apologies. Anyway, we got it in. We got it greased. There's friggin' grease everywhere, blowing out the seals. Fairly happy with this, despite the issues with the old bleeder valve on there. I'm gonna swap this back out because I re-greased this because it all shot out the end when I was installing it. It came with a little cap, so I'll just swap that out and then I'll be done here and we can go for a test drive. All in all, I'm pretty happy with that. After the test drive, everything went great. I do get a little bit of that vibration that the notes mentioned, so I will have to probably lift my engine a little bit, fix that pinion angle some, but that's okay.